हेलो एवरीवन। तो यहाँ पे हमने जनरल साइंस के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लिए हैं जो कि फिजिक्स से है। तो हमारा पहला चैप्टर है मैकेनिक्स। सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ ल्यूमिनस इंटेंसिटी इज ए ल्यूमिन, बी लक्स, सी कैंडेला, डी वॉट। सो राइट आंसर इज सी कैंडेला। Question number second is 1 light year is approximately equal to A 10 to the power 11 kilometer, B 10 to the power 15 meter, C 10 to the power 16 meter, D 10 to the power 16 kilometer. So answer C is right, 10 to the power 16 meter. Third, decibel is the unit of A speed of light, B intensity of sound, C intensity of heat, D none of these. So answer B is right, intensity of sound. क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 4 है वो मैच करने के लिए है। यहाँ पे हमें यूनिट को मैच करना है। तो जूल की यूनिट, जूल जो होती है वो वर्क की यूनिट होती है, एम्पियर करंट की, वाट पावर की, वोल्ट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस की और कैलोरी हीट की। तो जो आप मैच करेंगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा ए। सो ऑप्शन ऑफ 4 इज ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ एंगुलर मोमेंटम इज। तो इसका जो आंसर हो जाएगा वो बी हो जाएगा। यहाँ पे आप सेकेंड की पावर माइनस कर देंगे तो आपको मिलेगा केजी मीटर सेकेंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिजिकल क्वांटिटी डू नॉट हैव सेम डायमेंशन। सो ए इज फोर्स एंड प्रेशर, बी वर्क एंड एनर्जी, सी इम्पल्स एंड मोमेंटम, डी वेट एंड फोर्स। ऑप्शन ए इज राइट, वेट एंड प्रेशर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 is Maxwell is the unit of A intensity of magnetization, B permeability, C magnetic flux, D magnetic susceptibility. So Maxwell is the unit of magnetic flux. Option C is right. Question number 8 is which of the following is not a vector quantity. So option A speed is not a vector quantity. Rest of these velocity, torque and displacement are vector quantity. Question number 9 is an object with a constant speed A is not accelerated, B might be accelerated, C is always accelerated. So option B is right, might be accelerated. Question number 10 is when body is accelerated its velocity never changes, B its speed always changes, C its direction always changes, D its direction always changes. So यहाँ पे एक ही ऑप्शन 2 बार दे दिया गया है। तो हमारा राइट ऑप्शन जो है इट्स डायरेक्शन ऑलवेज चेंजेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज पिक आउट द ओनली वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। ए प्रेशर, बी इम्पल्स, सी ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल, डी कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन। सो राइट आंसर इज बी इम्पल्स। इम्पल्स इज इक्वल्स टू होता है एफ आई इज इक्वल्स टू एफ टी एंड वेयर एफ इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, सो इम्पल्स इज ऑल्सो अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। Question number 12 is a body rolling freely on the surface of the earth eventually come to rest because A it has mass, B it suffers friction, C it has inertia of rest, D it has momentum. So option B is right, it suffers friction, जिसकी वजह से वो रुक जाती है। Question number 13 is a person is sitting in a moving train and is facing engine. He tosses up a coin and the coin falls behind him. It can be concluded that the train is moving A forward and losing speed, B forward and losing speed, दोनों ऑप्शन सेम है, C forward and uniform speed, D backward with uniform speed. So option A is right, forward and losing speed. Question number 14 is a rocket work on the principle of conservation of A mass, B linear momentum, C energy, D angular momentum. So option B is right, it works on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. Question number 15 is when two bodies stick together after the collision it is said to be A perfectly elastic, B partially elastic, C completely inelastic, D none of these. So answer C is right, completely inelastic. Question number 16 is for a body moving with constant speed in a horizontal circle which of the following remain constant. A velocity, B acceleration, C centrifugal force, D kinetic energy. So kinetic energy remains constant. Option number D is right. The weight of the body at the center of the earth is A infinite, B 0, slightly less than that at the equator, D slightly more than at the equator. So option number B is right. 0. Question number 18 is the escape velocity from the surface of the earth does not depend upon A. Mass of the earth, B. Mass of the body, C. Radius of the earth, D. Gravitational constant G. So it does not depend upon the mass of the earth. Option A is right. Question number 19 is the escape velocity of particle of mass m varies as. तो m पे डिपेंड ही नहीं करती है, तो ये हो जाएगा m पे पावर 0 यानी कि 1. Question number 20 is if we move from the equator to a pole, the value of G, A increases, B decreases, C remain unchanged, D none of these. So it will increases. So answer is option number A, increases. Question number 21 is the working principle of washing machine is A. Centrifugation, B. Dialysis, C. Reverse current osmosis, D. Diffusion. So option number A is right, centrifugation. Question number 22 is a floating body always displaces liquid equal to of its. So A. Mass, B. Volume, C. Weight, D. None of these. So it displaces equal to of its weight. Question number 23 is the pressure of the earth atmosphere at sea level is due to the A. fact that most living things constantly breathe air, B. gravitational attraction of the earth for the atmosphere, C. evaporation of water from the sea and the ocean, D. heating of the atmosphere by the sun. So option number B is right, gravitational attraction of the earth for the atmosphere. Question number 24 is a block of ice is floating in a glass containing water. When the ice melts completely, the level of the water in the glass will. This is a very important question. A. rise, B. fall, C. not change, D. none of these. So right answer is not change. Question number 25 is Bernoulli theorem is based on the conservation of. This is also important question. A. mass, B. momentum, C. energy, D. all of these. So right answer is all of the above. Bernoulli principle based on the conservation of mass, momentum and energy. D. Question number 26 is viscosity is the property of liquid by virtue of which they. तो ये वाला क्वेश्चन अगर आपको विस्कोसिटी की डेफिनेशन पता तो आप कर सकते हैं. ये अपोजेस द रिलेटिव मोशन ऑफ इट्स पार्ट्स, बी पुश नेवरिंग मॉलिक्यूल्स. तो हमारा ऑप्शन जो है वो ए ही राइट है, अपोजेस द रिलेटिव मोशन ऑफ इट्स पार्ट्स. Question number 27 is when a fluid passes through the constricted part of pipe, its A. velocity and pressure decreases, B. velocity and pressure increases, C. velocity decreases and pressure increases, D. velocity increases and pressure decreases. तो आंसर हमारा हो जाएगा D. velocity increases and pressure decreases. Question number 28 is the velocity of raindrop attains constant value because of A. surface tension, B. upthrust of air, C. viscous force exerted by air, D. air current. So right answer is A. surface tension. Question number 29 is surface tension depend on nature of liquid, temperature of liquid, atmospheric pressure, D. all of these. So right answer is all of these. सो यहाँ पे आप एक चीज़ नोट कर सकते हैं कि सरफेस टेंशन डिपेंड अपॉन नेचर ऑफ लिक्विड, टेम्परेचर ऑफ लिक्विड एंड एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 इज kerosene oil rises up in the wick of lantern because of A. diffusion of the oil through the wick, B. surface tension, C. gravitational pull of the wick, D. buoyant force. Right answer is B. surface tension. Question number 31 is the surface tension phenomena is the result of tendency of a system to A. conserve energy, B. keep potential energy minimum, C. conserve volume, D. keep potential energy minimum. So right answer is keep potential energy minimum. यहाँ पे आप C B टिक करिए या D, दोनों ऑप्शन सेम ही हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 इज न्यूटन फर्स्ट लॉ इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड. सो सभी जानते हैं न्यूटन फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ ऑल्सो is also called law of inertia. Question number 33, that is last question. Fat can be separated from milk in a cream separation because of A. cohesive force, B. gravitational force, C. centripetal force, D. centrifugation force. So right answer is centrifugal force. Thank you.